Sapiens. Today in Cheeky's channel, we'll be showing you how to properly make a solid good batch of cookies, homemade cookies, Gordon Ramsay level cookies, 1000% lit cookies, apt for Fortnite usage. Now, onto the video. First up, Bambolinos, you're gonna have to get your ingredients ready and laid out. If you don't have any ingredients, I don't know what you're doing, but you know what? Still like, share, subscribe, do whatever, but get your ingredients when we say them.
Sammy, we don't have any ingredients.
We don't have any ingredients.
No.
That's fine. We'll go get them, right? Okay. Nothing's happening, you know. You were supposed to get them.
Oh,
absolutely useless.
You guys didn't tell me that.
Nikhil, we told you yesterday.
Oh.
Well, no, actually like 5 weeks ago.
Absolutely useless.
So the ingredients we need are 2 rolls of totally homemade cookie dough, a bag of chocolate chips, but in this case, the chocolate chips are already in here, a bag of mini marshmallows, and of course, you're gonna need your corn flakes.
Okay, so first up, guys, we're gonna preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Second, you're gonna want to get your cookie dough, and you wanna do this, take it all out, do it nice and simple, and then just you don't have to get it all out. It's fine. It's really nice, really satisfying. I really like this part, the best part. All right, don't forget the little crumbs that comes out, you know. And make sure to get it all out. Squeeze. Okay, now once you got that done, you want to go over to your oven. Get the butter flakes laid out. Very nice. I'm gonna use two little frosted flakes. No, wait, yeah, yes. Now I want to open the second one, and then throw it to Nikhil. Now you're gonna put this in the oven. Okay. The oven's gonna magically open. Yes, it will.
It has to be 375 first.
Yes.
No, it has to be first in 375.
Now we're gonna make a cut, and then it's gonna be magically open.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Cut it. Okay. Guys, once you got your oven preheated, you're gonna want to get your cornflakes, right? Which you could have baked them. It's optional. If you would have done that, it would be 15 minutes. Now you're gonna wanna put them in, right? Nice and soft. Now, this is where you're gonna get your appendages dirty. You wanna mix them. Good, okay. You wanna keep doing this until they get mixed well. Cut the thing. Now, guys, this is where the tricky stuff begins. Once you got your little lump, well, and I mean expertly, Gordon Ramsay level mixed, you're gonna wanna take a little piece, right? Small. Little piece. Make sure nothing falls to the floor, right? You're gonna wanna lay it out, okay? See this, you're gonna have to make it your own way. Of course, make it large, whatever size you want, really. I prefer large, so we're making it large. I'm gonna make three of them, about the same size, and then we're gonna cook them for 20 minutes. Now, guys, once you've got all your lumps laid out, you're gonna wanna make a meteor style impact on them. Now, don't mind that. We're gonna put the marshmallows in, right? You're gonna wanna put them in nicely, even, right? Okay. Space them out very well. All right.
Don't space them out. Put them together.
Why? No, you're not the chef, okay? Not the chef.
Beat Gordon Ramsay, bro.
We can't beat Gordon Ramsay, okay? I'm the new Gordon Ramsay, okay? Now, once you've got all your marshmallows properly laid out, wanna put a little bit more on this one. You're gonna wanna take your leftover cookie dough, and you're gonna put them on top. Okay, got it. Okay. Now, guys, once you've got all your lumps laid out and all the marshmallows in them, and they're all covered, you're gonna wanna put it in the oven once it's preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, my assistant here will show you how to professionally put it in there. Now, you see his technique?
Yeah, but it's in 349.
Okay, well, we're gonna magically skip an hour. Or like however much it's gonna take. We're gonna reshoot this, okay? This takes like a long time. Now, guys, once the time has passed and it's a 375 preheated, you're gonna wanna open it like my assistant does. You're gonna wanna put it in nicely, gently, be careful. I wanna get it to the back. And I'm gonna close it well. Now, my assistant and I are gonna wait 20 minutes for it to be done, right? 20 minutes, guys, on the clock, do not miss.
2 tens.
Now, guys, now that we have the cookie finished, it's beautiful. It's honestly beautiful. Okay, you're gonna wanna lay it on the table. Okay, over there. You're gonna wanna decorate it. Once it's decorated, you're gonna wanna let it rest for around 10 minutes, let it cool off, and then you can start eating it. It tastes great, it's good, it's organic, and it's just, it's generally pretty good.
Gordon
Ramsay style. You know it, boys.
We can cut it down here. You see the lines?
Yeah, it became one giant cookie because we're cool like that.
Yeah, we're cool like that,
It's
guys.
a cookie cake.
It's a cookie cake.
See, no, you've never seen stuff like this before in any channel. Only in Cheeky's.
It's like milky. It's like milky.
Taste that.
Okay, once you have let the cookie monster, I don't know what it is really, cake I guess, let rest for 20 minutes, 20 solid minutes. You're gonna wanna cut this in half, diagonally. Yes, you
Cut
know.
the lines. Cut through the lines.
You know what? It's whatever my assistant says. Look at his cutting technique. Very careful. Very good cut. We have one slice. Then he's gonna
Shit, stuff. This is soft.
soft.
This is very soft.
It's very soft. That's the recipe. That's the Gordon Ramsay recipe. And very big slice. Very big slice. Okay, he's making his cuts. He's a professional. Keep in mind. He's deciding. He's gonna put it back in, and he's gonna get a spatula.
This spatula burned.
Well, it burned. He took out the whole cookie. Look at the skills, guys. This is really the pinnacle of cooking, right? When you could have skills like these, just that uniform cake. It's really insane. It's really solid. I honestly don't know anyone that does it better, right? It's honestly the best, guys. Like,
Well, that's your plate.
that's my plate, indeed. So, now I'm gonna do that, and we're gonna taste test it. I'm actually surprised it tastes good.
good?
That's surprising. Well, you know, guys, yeah, it's very good. So you're gonna wanna eat the whole thing once you're done. Well, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked the amazing cookie cake recipe. It's very crunchy, very healthy, and organic, most important. So if you liked the video, of course, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, follow on all the social media, which includes, let me think, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Tinder, BuzzFeed News, and most importantly, MySpace. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay cheeky.